Hello and welcome to the second grade trimester 1 lesson 21 video, and this is the engineering challenge or the knowledge transfer challenge. And what they're going to do here is they're going to take all this information they learned about changes happening quickly and slowly, and they are going to be given a challenge, and then using this information they're going to try to create something to solve that challenge. So it's related to this performance expectation that compare multiple solutions designed to slow or prevent wind or water from changing the shape of land. So the idea here is you'll give them this page 20, and you're going to tell the students that there is you can make it a farm, you can make it a home, you can make it a building, downtown, whatever, and it's in danger of being flooded. So you'll probably go back to that original water table that you used in Investigation 1 or the tote trays, whatever you ended up using, and you would have them make some little model homes. You don't really need to make the model home. You could even just have like a little toy home or just some area that you would want them to protect. And then you would have them dig a little riverbed. And then the idea is, what could you do to help prevent flooding? What would be some practical flood mitigation strategies? Now, you're going to want to talk to them, because I'm sure students initially are just going to say, build a wall around the river. And you're going to say, well, wildlife need to get in and out of that river. People want to fish, people want to take their boats on the river, things like that. So if you just build a giant wall, that's going to cause some major problems for both humans and also, more importantly, for wildlife. So that's not really a pretty, that's not really the best idea. Now they could, build up a small wall away from the riverbed. So maybe like similar to the way downtown Cedar Falls built up a little wall around close to downtown, next to the Cedar River. So that could be one way. And they could, potentially make an inflatable dam. They could have a balloon and they could, deflate it when the water comes by. Or they could, another idea is just trees, putting trees around it. If it's a major flood, that's not going to do much, but more than likely they would want to try to build some sort of wall away from the river. So that would be kind of like one big discussion you'd want to have as they're kind of making their decision here. You're going to want to ask them to make a plan first. So kind of like the sequence of this lesson is to present the problem, show them the materials you have them get in small groups and maybe come up with a plan and explain it, and then discuss that. And talk to them about, is this a good plan, and what do you think, and do you want to maybe go back and change this a little bit because I don't know if this design is going to be feasible, things like that. So this lesson will probably take a few days. I definitely, at least 2, probably 3 days, a day of introducing the problem and have them brainstorm, a day of maybe discussing it, refining it, a day of actually testing it out. So it's going to take at least 2 or 3 days to put all that together.